In this market, you've got a lot of inventory to juggle. So you got to find buyers. You got to find sellers that want to buy. You got to find first-time buyers, move-up buyers, serious qualified buyers, all ready to do the deal. And it's all about connections. Getting connected and staying connected. How do you do it? RE/MAX 365. It's all about RE/MAX working for you 365 days a year. And it's all right here. I've got the best information from the best in the business. Live interactive town hall meetings led by somebody who's pretty much seen it all. Yep, that's him. And you all know this guy, our good friend Brian Buffini.
Well, the top of the morning to you.
He's got a new exclusive program called The Ultimate Agent, lined up and ready to go. And it's only at RE/MAX. Thanks, Brian. The RE/MAX Satellite Network brings home what you need to know right now, like going after first-time buyers, foreclosures, and short sales. We'll look at the reality of today's market and how you can make it work for you. And we're going to hit the road to bring it all to your hometown. Our live tours bring home everything you need to succeed. And because the press always gets the market wrong, we've got your Right Now blog to keep you connected to the best in our family. A think tank of elite associates and brokers sharing with you everything they know. Then to finish it all off, RE/MAX 365 delivers a marketing campaign to keep you connected to your clients every day. Pretty cool. RE/MAX 365 is a plan to put into action right now. Education, information, and the tools you need to get connected and stay connected to your clients. RE/MAX 365, the best way to succeed in today's market, hands down. Sweet.